All right, here we are. Translations examples. Now, remember, translations are a slide. And in this particular problem, it's going to tell us how to translate. Graph the image, so we're graphing, of rectangle RSTU after a translation of 7 units right and 3 units up. Okay? So 7 right, 3 up. All we're going to do is follow those instructions with each point. So from each point, we're going to go 7 right and 3 up. So from S, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Bop. There's my new S. Technically, I can put an S tick on it. And we're going to do that same thing with every single point. So with R, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. R prime. Are there other ways to do this? Yes. But this is a way that will always work. It's just kind of counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. There's T prime. And then of course U. 1, 2. And then you connect. And you're done. When you get to the end, your shape should look the same. If you started with the rectangle and end with the triangle, you know something's off. Okay? Again, your shape should look the same. It should be the exact same, but if you're drawing, again, you're gonna just have human error because we can't draw straight lines, or I can't anyway. I got my little wobble here. Anyway, there's what one of your examples will look like. So on your IXL assignment, you can just kind of count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and then you're set. Now, I'm going to show you kind of 2 of the other types of problems you're going to see with IXL. This is the same situation, but it asks for the answer in a different format. It says write the coordinates of the vertices. The vertices are the corners, after a translation of 2 units right and 6 units down. So, again, multiple ways to do this. I'm going to show you what I think is the easiest. 2 units right is kind of +2 in your X direction. 6 units down would be -6 in your Y direction. Okay? Remember, positive X units will move you right, and negative Y units will move you down. So, you're basically going to go +2 and -6 to every X point and every Y point. So D, 0 plus 2, the new point would be 0 plus 2, that's 2. And then we have 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 would be 3. And I'm going to do that to every coordinate. And -1 minus 6 would be -7. Okay. This particular problem, they don't want you to graph it. They just want you to use the coordinates. So we're just going to play with the coordinates. Now, if you were like, boy, Mr. Mikeson, that's tricky for me. I want to see it on the picture. You could do that. So for E, you go 2 right, and then 6 down. There's your new E. And then you'd have to count, well, where is that? 1, 2, 3 right, 1, 2, 3 up, 3, 3. And that, of course, is the point we got right there. So whatever method you choose, you can choose whichever one fits for you. I like this one because, again, you can't really draw on your computer screen very well with some of these problems. So remembering how you're interacting with the X and Y coordinates like this is going to be helpful. And last one you're going to see, it's going to be find the rule. So it's going to give you a pre-image and a post-image, or an original image and a transformed image. Now, how do you know which one you start with? Well, you're going to start with the one that does not have a tick on it, okay? And it says triangle QRS, Q prime, R prime, S prime, is a translation of triangle QRS. Write the translation rule. So what's happening here? These ones look more complicated than they are. You're going to find one match. What I mean by one match is one variable or one vertex you want to play with. I'm going to play with Q and Q prime. okay? Because I know Q becomes Q prime. Now I have to figure out, well, how far did it go? It looks like this is our start, this is our end. So I know we went over, and I know we went up. Boom, boom. And I know if I move this point this direction, over and up, and do the same with my R and my S, I'm going to get the same image. It's just going to be translated. So what I do is I say, how do I turn Q into Q prime? I'm going to count my X's first. X is my right-left movement. And I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and just make sure, okay, are we over? Yep, okay, we are 10 units over. So it'd be X plus 10. And then Y, how high up did I go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bop. 12. Bingo. There you go. And that'd be how you answer that question. Okay? Again, if you figure out how to move one point in a translation, all the other points have to follow the same rules. So you don't have to do this to every single point when you're only looking for a rule. Okay? All right, do your best on that assignment. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.